Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be making our final descent into London Heathrow. Can we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and adjusted while we make our final descent? I'd like to say thank you for choosing to fly with Turkish Airlines. We hope that you have an enjoyable flight with us. Cabin crew, please secure cabin ready for landing, please. Thank you. While we'll be making our final descent into London Heathrow, can we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and your tray table must be folded when your window blinds will be up. Please note, if you're in our first class cabin, can we ask you to sober your TVs at this time, and if you are in pre-economy and economy, you are still allowed to have your TVs on. And please make sure that your seatbelt is upright with your armrest down. And thank you for choosing to fly with Turkish Airlines today. If there's anything that we can do for you, do not hesitate, just ask. Cabin crew, please be seated, ready for landing, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. The local time is just 2 hours behind Turkish time. Can we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until we come to a complete stop? I'd like to ask, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. And if there's anything we can do for you, do not hesitate, just ask. Never leave you in the hands of our ground staff that will take care of you. I'd like to say thank you for choosing to fly with Turkish Airlines, and we like to ask thank you for choosing to fly with us and Star Alliance. We'd like to welcome you to London Heathrow, and if you're catching a connected flight, please follow flight connections to or get the airport bus. If you need to go to a different terminal, I'd like to ask thank you for choosing to fly with us. We hope you have an enjoyable flight. Thank you. Cabin crew, control doors to manual and cross check. Or cabin crew, please prepare doors ready for arrival, please. Thank you. Ding.